Wow. Hello, 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 hello. Once again, we have met in our lesson. Okay, today too I have a good lesson for you as usual. My name is Evans Ifuati Kwao and a teacher of Cambodia Intellectuals Academy, CIA. Before we start today's lesson, I just want you to do simple exercise, okay? Just simple exercise. We normally do just simple exercise. You raise your hands up. You stretch your hands like this, then pull them down. Just simple. Up again. You stretch, then you bring it down. Okay, so it is good that every present day you have to do a small exercise in order to help your body. Okay, good. The last time that we met, we look at a certain letter. What letter was that? Letter S. What was the sound for letter S? I told you it's like some animal in the grass like this. Okay. Okay. So what are some words that start with a S sound? And I also tell you one of the animal that is snake. So we say S, snake, S, snake. Good job. Now today we are going to look at a letter between letter S and letter U. The lesson today is going to be based on a letter between letter S and letter U. What letter has come to your mind? Okay, and this is the letter. So today we are going to look at letter T. Letter T. Letter T. Good. So now this is the uppercase T and the lowercase t. The uppercase T and the lowercase t. Good. Good. So now we get the sound for letter T from somebody watching tennis game, and the head was turned to right and left, right to left like this, by giving the sound T, 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 T. Good job. So the letter T give the sound T, 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 T. Good. So we say T, 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 T. One more. T, 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 T. Good job. So this is how we come out with the sound T, 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 T. Good. Now, for you to understand it very clearly, I have some pictures to show you. And the first picture that I'm coming to show you is animal. And that animal is also very dangerous animal, and it normally roar and always show his teeth like this. That animal is very dangerous animal. Yes, what animal is that? Okay, so if you're able to say this animal, then you are correct. So what is its name? Tiger, 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 tiger. Okay, good. So you have the first picture showing tiger. Now let's pronounce the name with a sound. Okay, so now let's go. T, 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 tiger. T, 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 tiger. T, 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 tiger. And don't forget, always tiger show his teeth, especially when he sees human being like this. Okay, yes. So now let's look at how we write the word tiger. So tiger, you write in this way: T I G E R. So tiger, T I G E R, tiger. Good. So now we can take it once again before we go to our next picture. So we say T, 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 tiger. T, 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 tiger. And that's how we read tiger. T I G E R. Good. Okay. Now, another photo that I have you, that object always open his branches like this, and the branches have a leaves, has a leaves like this. Yes, what has come to your mind? Okay, if you're able to say this one, you are correct. And this is tree, 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 tree. Good. Yes. Okay, so now we are going to pronounce with a sound. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. T, 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 tree. T, 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 tree. T, 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 tree. Okay, once more. T, 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 tree. So you can practice with me before we continue the lesson. Okay, let's go. Good job. And this is how we write T, tree. Okay. Tree, T R E E. Good. Good. So this is tree. Let's take it once more. T, 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 tree. T, 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 tree. And this is how we write the word 3. T, R, E, E. So you see that the letters underlined sound T, T, T. Good. Now, I have the last picture to show you. Yes, what is this? Good. So if you are able to say tent, 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 then you are correct. And this is tent, tent, tent. Good, good. Good job. Okay, so now we are going to pronounce the word with a sound once again. So let's go. T, 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 tent. T, 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 tent. T, 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 tent. You can practice with me. Okay, let's go. Good job. And this is how we write the word tent. Tent, T, E, N, T. So now you see that for this word you have the sound yet two. So they sound T and also sound T. Good, good job. Okay, now let's go over before we move to another step. So this is the letter name. T, 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 and it sounds as T, 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 T. T, okay, T, 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 tiger, T, 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 tiger, T, 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 tree, T, 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 tree, T, 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 tent, T, 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 tent. Okay, good. So now we know the letter name and its sound, and some words that also start with a sound T, T, T. Now let's look at how to write letter T. To write letter T, you first write a horizontal line like this, a horizontal line like this, and after that you go to the middle of the horizontal line, then you draw a vertical line like this. So now let's trace together to get the letter T. So we start at the top to downwards. So this is the uppercase T. This is the uppercase T, or we sometimes call it as the capital letter T. Now let's look at the small letter or the lowercase letter. For this one is in a different shape. Okay, so here you start at a point, you draw a line at the bottom, then you curl the bottom like this, and after you curl, then you draw a line to cut the horizontal line, and this one is the lowercase t. So let's trace to get it full. Okay, so you come down through the broken lines like this, and after that we close it nicely. Good. So this is how to write the uppercase T and the lowercase t. Now let's go over our lesson again. This is letter T, and this letter T sound as t, 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 t. Good. And these are some objects that start with the sound t. Okay, so let's look at their sound. T, 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 tiger. T, 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 tiger. And tiger, we spell tiger as T, I, G, E, R. T, I, G, E, R. Tiger. Good. Okay, let's go on to the next picture. T, 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 tree. T, 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 tree. And that's how we spell tree. Tree. T, R, E, E. T, R, E, E. Tree. Okay, then the last picture for the day. T, 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 tent. T, 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 tent. And this is how we spell tent. T, E, N, T. T, E, N, T. Okay, good. So now you can keep on practice. This is where I'll end my lesson, and for more videos you can follow us through our YouTube channel CIA and Facebook page, also CIA, for more videos. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.